Want a strong, powerful upper body? Push-ups are your secret weapon. No gym, no problem. Push-ups are the ultimate bodyweight exercise. They build muscle, increase power, and sculpt your physique. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also engage your core and back for total body strength. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, push-ups are a game changer. Ready to unleash your inner strength? Let's get started. The classic push-up is the foundation of upper body strength. It's simple, effective, and can be done anywhere. Here's how to master it. Start in a plank position with hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest touches the floor. Keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Push back up to the starting position. Benefits? Increased muscle mass, improved bone density, and enhanced athletic performance. Want to target specific muscles? Push-up variations are key. Diamond push-ups. Bring your hands together, forming a diamond shape. This variation targets your triceps and inner chest. Wide push-ups. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart. This variation emphasizes your chest muscles. Decline push-ups. Elevate your feet on a bench or step. This variation increases the intensity and targets your upper chest and shoulders. Incline push-ups. Place your hands on a bench or step. This variation is a great starting point for beginners. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and getting the most out of your push-ups. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Don't let your hips sag or your butt stick up. Lower your body until your chest touches the floor. Don't sacrifice range of motion for more reps. Engage your core throughout the entire movement. This will protect your lower back and increase stability. Breathe. Exhale as you push up and inhale as you lower down. Level up your strength progressive overload with push-ups. Push-ups are a fundamental exercise that can be scaled to match any fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, progressive overload can help you continuously improve. Ready to take your push-ups to the next level? Progressive overload is key. This principle involves gradually increasing the stress placed on your muscles, ensuring they adapt and grow stronger over time. Start with a number of reps that challenges you. It's important to find a baseline that pushes your limits but is still achievable. This could be 10, 15, or even 20 push-ups, depending on your current strength. As you get stronger, gradually increase the number of reps you can do. Aim to add 1 or 2 more push-ups each week. Keeping a workout log can help you track your progress and stay motivated. Shorten the rest periods between sets to increase the intensity of your workout. Reducing rest time from 60 seconds to 45 or even 30 seconds can make a significant difference in your endurance and strength. Once you've mastered the classic push-up, move on to more challenging variations. Try clap push-ups, one-arm push-ups, or even plyometric push-ups to keep your muscles guessing and growing. Use a weighted vest or have a partner place a weight plate on your back. Adding extra weight increases resistance, making your muscles work harder and promoting greater strength gains. Remember, consistency and gradual progression are the keys to success in any fitness journey. My push-up journey from zero to hero. This is the story of how I transformed my fitness journey, starting from the very basics and working my way up to becoming proficient in push-ups. I wasn't always a push-up pro. In fact, there was a time when I could barely manage to do even one push-up. It felt like an insurmountable challenge, but I knew I had to start somewhere. I remember those early days vividly, struggling to push myself up from the ground, my arms shaking, my body refusing to cooperate. But deep down, I was determined to get stronger. I knew that with persistence, I could overcome this hurdle. So I started with the basics. I began with modified push-ups against a wall. It was a small step, but it was a step in the right direction. These wall push-ups helped me build the foundational strength I needed. Gradually, as my strength improved, I progressed to incline push-ups. This was a significant milestone for me. Each incline push-up brought me closer to my goal. Eventually, I was able to transition to classic push-ups, a moment of triumph that I will never forget. Now, after months of dedication and hard work, I can crank out multiple sets of challenging push-up variations. From diamond push-ups to clap push-ups, my repertoire has expanded significantly. It's incredible to see how far I've come. The key to this transformation has been consistency and perseverance. It's not about how many push-ups you can do in a day, but about showing up every day and putting in the effort. Consistency is what turns small steps into giant leaps. There were times when I felt discouraged, especially in the beginning. It's easy to feel disheartened when progress seems slow. But I learned that it's okay to struggle. Every push-up, no matter how difficult, was a step forward. Just keep practicing and you'll see amazing progress. Your body will adapt, your strength will increase, and what once seemed impossible will become achievable. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey from zero to hero is within reach. Beyond the basics, advanced push-up techniques. Welcome to the next level of your fitness journey, where we push the boundaries of traditional push-ups and explore more challenging variations. Once you've conquered the basics, it's time to challenge yourself with advanced techniques that will test your strength, stability, and endurance. These variations not only enhance your physical capabilities, but also keep your workouts exciting and dynamic. Plyometric push-ups. This explosive movement involves pushing yourself up from the bottom position with enough force to lift your hands off the ground. While airborne, clap your hands together before landing softly back into the starting position. This exercise is excellent for building power and explosiveness in your upper body. These push-ups are particularly effective for athletes who need to develop quick, powerful movements. They engage your chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also improving your overall coordination and timing. One-arm push-ups. This advanced variation requires incredible strength and stability. By performing push-ups with one arm, you significantly increase the load on your working arm, making it a true test of your upper body strength. Start by practicing with one hand slightly elevated on a sturdy surface, such as a bench or step. This will help you build the necessary strength and balance before progressing to a full one-arm push-up on the floor. Handstand push-ups. This impressive variation targets your shoulders, triceps, and core. By inverting your body, you shift the focus to your upper body, making it an excellent exercise for building shoulder strength and stability. Master a handstand against a wall before attempting this move. Practicing against a wall provides the necessary support and helps you develop the balance and strength required for a freestanding handstand push-up. Remember, safety first. Always ensure you have a clear space and a spotter if needed. Master the basics before attempting advanced variations. A strong foundation in basic push-ups ensures you have the proper form and strength to safely and effectively perform these advanced techniques. Keep pushing your limits and enjoy the journey of becoming stronger and more skilled in your fitness routine. Push-ups for everyone. Modifications for all fitness levels. Push-ups can be modified for any fitness level. Beginners, start with wall push-ups or incline push-ups. These variations reduce the load, making them easier on your joints. Intermediate, focus on mastering the classic push-up and gradually increasing reps and sets. Advanced, explore challenging variations like decline push-ups, plyometric push-ups, and one-arm push-ups. No matter your fitness level, there's a push-up variation for you. Incorporating push-ups into your workout routine. Push-ups are versatile and can be incorporated into any workout routine. Warm-up. Perform a few sets of push-ups to activate your chest, shoulders, and triceps before your main workout. Strength training. Include push-ups in your upper body strength training routine. Circuit training. Combine push-ups with other exercises for a full body workout. Bodyweight workout. Create a workout using only bodyweight exercises, including push-ups. The push-up challenge. Unleash your full potential. Ready to unleash your full push-up potential? Challenge yourself. 30-day push-up challenge. Gradually increase the number of push-ups you do each day for 30 days. Max push-up test. See how many push-ups you can do in 1 minute. Push-up competition. Challenge your friends or family to a push-up competition. Push-ups are a testament to your strength, endurance, and determination. Embrace the challenge and push your limits.